Okay, here are the things I'm gonna tell you guys how to connect this 65 centimeter the 3D hologram. Okay, so once open the memory card, inside it has a APK, the Android APK, right? This one for the Android. So for the iPhone, need to search this the name. Okay, in this SD card inside has the just this one here showing this the name. Okay, so about mobile, how to connect, just bring that application to the mobile and then installing. This is the first, it's here already. Okay, so once installed already, just need to search the Wi-Fi here. The name is 3D. This is the one. Okay, connect already. No have any password. Connect already, making sure this the Wi-Fi already connect. So open it. Then we can see inside all the things. For example, I just upload one, the test. This the video. Okay. So first, language. From right side here, click 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 is the language setting. Here select English. After everything is English. Here select Chinese for the Chinese customer. After everything is Chinese. So I'm gonna use the English much better. Everyone can understand. From here, if I want to add a video, click video. For example, anyone. Here select any, no problem. But better we're gonna select high. Okay. You can change the position with holding and change. Yeah. For example, this. Okay. Upload. Give the name. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Loading. Sending data. Okay. Just wait a little bit. Now it's update. When it's updating time, it's showing the blue color circle. Means receive. So go back here. Wait. The sending time is up to the how big video we upload. More long time, they're gonna update more long time also. Same. Almost. Okay, done. So let's see. Okay, this is the inside I already have. Now we click just now upload 1, 2, 3. It's showing nice, but because the camera here showing the black, so it doesn't matter. You can see this is the video. Okay, so this is the mobile, how to upload the photo or picture, videos. For example, I'm gonna okay, that's my car. Okay, this one, any, no problem. So here, upload, give the name, 3, 2, 1, okay. And then let's see, 3, 2, 1 is here already. Okay, so finish.